our lake. It's completely frozen. Wow, and it looks so amazing. This is the first time I'm out in 4 months because we had snow all this time, and now snow is melting and spring is almost here. So we are enjoying the weather. It's a beautiful sunny day, and the weather is so pleasant even though it's a little windy and chill outside. But yeah, we are enjoying the sunshine. I'm with my son and we are having fun, right, Touch? Yeah, look at our lake. Guys, so this is how our weather looks right now here. The world is waking up from a deep winter sleep, and you can see the grass peeking out of the snow. Welcome back to today's episode. I'm Epsida and I'm excited to be outside today, and let me show you the looks here. So you can see the snow is all around and it's going to melt. It's melting in fact, and the grass is picking out of the snow. So, and everything from a deep winter sleep, even though we didn't have a harsh winter this year. But I'm excited to be outside and being in the sun. I went out for a walk, and then my son joined me, and then we had lots of fun just going on a walk, even though it's a little chill and it feels very cold outside because of the wind, but still it's a gorgeous sunny weather. See, so this is how the weather is, and we having plenty of sunshine now. So this is a quick blog where I want to share like how I was able to let go all the strings that was attached, or I was hanging on to all this while during winter, because I kept thinking when the snow started melting and the weather turned a little bright and sunny outside, I kept thinking that I'll go out for a walk, but I had my family responsibility, then being a mom, cooking, chores, and then I thought like, okay, finally I was out today. And I'm excited because I had a lot of negative energy lately because some reasons, or I should not be saying because of some people, because in that way I'll give power to those negative voices. But yeah, there were a lot of reasons. But yes, I went out to cleanse my mind and to find that clarity, and then just let go and walk past all the negative voices that was holding me or was disturbing me. So friends, today's episode is all about no strings attached. So the only way you can live authentically and love authentically is when you have no strings attached, and of about expectations or about approvals. So I'm happy that I have been doing so many things. I have a lot of new announcements that I want to share with you, and I want to keep it for my next blog and next video, where I want to just share all the news and the announcements, or the new projects that I've taken, or new feathers that I've added to my cap. So I will just keep it for the next video and let it be a surprise until then. But today's video was a quick vlog or a video where I wanted to share that walking out in the nature, outdoors, being outdoors is so relieving, and it helps you gather all that positive energy and curiosity, enthusiasm, and good vibes that starts fading when we are indoors all the time, or when we are cooped up in our houses. So it's time my outdoor life begins. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. I'm a kind of a person who doesn't like doing yogas or exercises. I'm like so lazy, but I'm an outdoor person. I love hiking, I love biking, I love walking, running, or playing outdoor sports, and that's how I am in person. So I'm like so excited that yay, finally our bikes will be out, and I just can't wait to start biking and walking or running with my family, with my husband, So we love doing that. Even he is the kind of a person, like, so he doesn't like doing those yoga stretches and exercises. We are more of an outdoor people. Like, we love going walking, or we love uh, going on hikings, and then playing a lot of outdoor sports. So it's time, guys, and I'm excited that this sunny weather is going to help us be outdoors more often. Then I'm coming up with another video where I'm going to share all the new announcements and new projects or new milestones I was able to be or participate lately, or added to my life. So stay tuned and stay with me, stay with Ipsita. I'm the creator of the Positive Window. I have a lot more news and surprises to share with you guys, and thank you so much for watching my videos, for all your support, who have been supporting me from day one, and who have always supported me and have been doing supporting, like continuing supporting. Thank you so much, guys. It means a lot to me. It's good to try, then just sit and think, oh no, what they'll think about me, why should I be asking them for help? But it's good to ask for help. It's okay if they say no. At least you tried, guys. That's what is important. And that's a no. And naysayers, like, they kind of give you that energy, that motivation to go and do it no matter what. So if you are with me on this, let's take it forward and let's do it. Let's do our dreams. Let's do it for ourselves, not for anybody else or to prove anyone, but it's just for ourselves, our life, our way. And let's write a new story, a new chapter every single day in a more grand, positive way, and being humble, being kind, and being empathetic, and being caring and loving. So friends, here I sign off, and until we meet again in my next video, I'm just going to show you the weather again, and I hope you enjoy this. This is my zen, and I hope you find it inspiring. Here it is. Guys, and thank you so much for your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or follow me on Instagram or on Facebook, and stay up to date on every new post and new announcements and new surprises that's coming ahead. Bye, guys.